Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix application hang detected. The application has hung and will now close. We apologize for the inconvenience. So if you are getting this error in the Fortnite game on PC, then here follow the instructions very carefully to fix this problem. And the first step is to update your graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, you can go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, you can go to this AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then you can go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card drive version and install the latest version. So for example, if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. And then you can download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run it and install it on your PC. Now if you have NVIDIA app, then open NVIDIA app, go to the driver sections, and here you will see the check for updates icon. So click on it, and if there are any updates available for your driver, then you can download it and then you can install it by clicking on download. And if you have AMD graphic card driver, then you can go to this website, search for your correct graphic card driver version, and then you can install it. So basically you have to update your graphic card driver to the latest version. Now step 2 is to unplug controllers while launching the game. So disconnect any game pads or controllers from your PC, as they can cause this specific error during the launch. So if you have connected any controllers or any gamepad to your PC, then unplug it while launching the game. But do not launch the game right now. Next step is to step 3, make sure display port is attached to GPU and not to motherboard. So check, and if you have attached the display port directly to motherboard, then unplug it and then plug it to the GPU. And after following all these 3 steps, just restart your PC once. It is a must. Do not forget to restart your PC. Just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, and then you can go ahead and launch the Fortnite game and your errors should be fixed. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve application hang detected. The application has hung and will now close error in Fortnite game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.